fixed some bird's eye garlic shrimp for dinner tonight. It's easy to make. It takes only about 10 to 12 minutes. And get started on it here. Okay, you put a third of a cup of water with it in a skillet, non-stick skillet. And put it on medium-high and 10 to 12 minutes. And we can serve it then. Well, it's been on about 6 or 7 minutes, needs to be stirred. Well, I have to confess, I was wondering if it had enough shrimp for us, so I added 4 jumbo shrimp in here with it. But it looks like a fair amount of shrimp in the package. Well, it looks like it's done. Liquid's all absorbed. And there it's ready to go to the table. Well, there it is on the table, and the 2 extra big shrimp that I put in there with it, and it's kind of skimpy on the shrimp, but I guess that's all that you could expect. For $3.50. For all shrimp like this in a Chinese restaurant, it's $12, $15. I'll take a bite of it and see what I think of it. It's pretty good. It's not too strong on garlic. Tastes good, the pasta's good, and the shrimp is well cooked. Well, it looks like a fair amount of pasta here and plenty of vegetables. And a few of those little shrimp, but those 2 big ones there are the ones I put in. But it has a good flavor. Doesn't need any salt or anything, which is unusual. All in all, it's a pretty cheap meal for 2 people.